Hey, history lovers! I'm excited to dive into the breathtaking history of Norway today, a land of fjords, Vikings, and incredible natural beauty. From ancient settlers to the modern era, join me on this 3-minute journey through Norway's fascinating past. La oss begin. Let's begin. Our story starts in ancient times with the early settlers of Norway, who braved the harsh Scandinavian environment. The Viking Age, beginning around 800 AD, marked a period of exploration, trade, and raids across Europe. Notable Vikings like Eric the Red and Leif Erikson even ventured as far as North America. By the 10th century, King Harald Fairhair unified the Norwegian kingdoms, setting the stage for a centralized state. The shift from Norse paganism to Christianity was led by King Olaf Tryggvason and continued by King Olaf Haraldsson, transforming the religious landscape of Norway drastically. The Middle Ages were a time of prosperity for Norway, but the Black Death in the 14th century drastically reduced the population. In 1397, Norway entered the Kalmar Union with Denmark and Sweden, a union that led to nearly 400 years under Danish rule. After the Napoleonic Wars in 1814, Norway declared independence and crafted its own constitution. Yet, it was soon forced into a union with Sweden, which persisted until 1905 when Norway finally gained full independence, with Håkon VII as its first king. World War II brought hardship, with Nazi Germany occupying Norway from 1940 to 1945. However, the post-war period was marked by rapid economic growth, spurred by the discovery of oil in the North Sea in the late 1960s, creating a strong welfare state. Today, Norway is renowned for its high standard of living, environmental consciousness, and rich cultural heritage, spanning from traditional folk music and art to modern contributions in literature and technology. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the rich history of Norway in just 3 minutes. From the Viking Age and medieval unions to independence and modern prosperity, Norway's story is a testament to resilience and innovation. If you're fascinated by this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing history content. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious. Tusen takk, thank you everyone.